The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new Ethereum Classic video. Long time since I did an Ethereum Classic. People have been asking for Ethereum Classic video, so why not do Ethereum Classic video? By the way, I'm not sure how long I'm gonna do keeping doing Ethereum Classic videos or some other videos, because right now, you know, when everything is very dim, there is a lot of FUD going on, you know, it's bear market, it's bull market. It affects me, even this channel, you know. So yeah, you used to make like 6 to 8 videos every single day. Now I do like 4 videos a day, and like I do XRP Cardano every single day, then maybe VeChain and maybe BitTorrent, like, and right now doing Ethereum Classic. But I gotta pick like 3-4 coins to do every single day, so you know, something's gotta give, something's gotta be. So I'm gonna see if this Ethereum Classic is gonna keep on, if I'm gonna keep on making updates for Ethereum Classic or not, and only you guys decide if I'm gonna do that. So if I get a lot of likes, I get a lot of views, you know, I get subs through these videos, it motivates me to make more Ethereum Classic videos, so you know what you're gonna do with the like button. Anyways, let's get into the charts to see what's actually happening up here. You can see here on daily chart that we are holding really nicely the 50 moving average 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row. So that's a positive thing. We are still we are yet to go even further down. Right now I'm gonna pop some lines that we had from before, and you know that once we blew up here, we have been just going down forever right now. And there was some kind of, I'm gonna explain these lines. This is the previous resistance up here. We don't need that. What do we do? Yeah, we don't need number here. Okay, so basically what's going on, this area down here, this yellow area, that was the support area that we held, and over here we broke that, so we are below the support area. We tried to get back into that, got rejected, and right now we are below the support area. So this support area is still acting, is still valid, but we broke that. We also broke the uptrend up here. There was some kind of a triangle going on here. We broke that as well to the downside, so even that is out right now. This line, we don't need this, and right now we're keeping this support at 50 moving average right now, all the way down here. Let me just see if that's no, that's not on the weekly chart, so we're keeping some kind of support. So right now, if we start going down, you can see that this week we wicked through the next support down here at around 36 to 42 line, right? But the most important is that we actually keep this 50 moving average up here, because if we can keep the 50 moving average, then the probability is that we might actually test the 10 moving average next time and maybe bounce off on the 10 moving average and continue to the upside. Now everything depends again on what Bitcoin is going to do, what the miners are going to do, you know, how much FUD is going to come out, what's going to happen. But that's what we are looking at right now. So right now we can remove these lines, and I'm going to show you what's happening right now on the charts, if that's bullish or bearish, or how we're going to look at it. The first things first, we got something called RSI divergence on the charts. Most of, like, not most, a lot of altcoins got the same kind of divergence, meaning the price is going down and the RSI, that's this indicator down here, is going up. In fact, right, and that means some kind of a pullback to the upside is expected. Now whether this pullback is gonna pull us all the way to 120 or 50, I don't think so. These pullbacks on the 4-hourly time frame are only enough to push you up to the next resistance, and right now next resistance is the 10 and 20 moving average. And not only for Ethereum Classic, but for everything, the 10 and 20 moving average, really important moving averages. That's this white and red line. That's the line we're actually trying to break right now. And not only we, Bitcoin is trying to break that, like all the bitcoins are trying to break the 10 and 20 moving average up here. So the fact that we had this RSI divergence, not only that, this looks something like a double bottom down here. So if we do have double bottom and this RSI divergence, right, and can maybe break the 10 and 20 moving average, if you can break the 10 and 20 moving average, maybe even this 200 moving average will be broken if we start going up here. That might actually give us a lot better bullishness for the more moment to upside. But right now, what's happening right now, it's that we are just trying to find some kind of bottom, and as long as Bitcoin doesn't find any kind of bottom, we don't have any kind of bottom. 73.9, that's the line to break to start an uptrend, not uptrend like from the before, but new uptrend. So you got some kind of low, and you have a here lower low. This is high. You don't want to have here lower high than this one over here. You don't want to be going in a channel downwards. So the best case scenario is you can manage to get back above it, and then you have a higher high, and then you can start creating some kind of higher low here and then continue on to the upside. So that's the best case scenario. But right now it's only the 10 and 20 moving average that we are looking at, and like, can we break, can we not? Let's go down to 1 hourly chart and see that 1 hourly chart 10 and 20 is broken, but those are not important. It's this 100 moving average that's actually a really important chart. We even got rejected here, but by the 200 moving average. But the 100 is on the most coins is the one that actually we are looking at right now. That's actually holding us down. So the 200 moving average on the 100 moving average on the 1 hourly chart is the one to look for. But the fact that we are above the 10 and 20 moving average is kind of a good signal, because it means that we might actually pop upside from here, and that means that on the 4 hourly time frame we might actually try to get above the 10 and 20 moving average. And these moving averages are really important to get above, because if we go up there, like somewhere up here, maybe even higher, like all the way up to 69 on the daily chart, it will give us a little bit of bullishness. We will have a green candle towards the upside. We will be holding this kind of level up here. You know, it's the small things, but it does help. It does help. So right now we are looking to break this 10 and 20 moving average. I don't think we're gonna go too much today. I don't think it's gonna happen that today. I don't think Bitcoin, because a lot of these divergences are happening in double bottoms. So everything has to test this 10 and 20 moving average. Bitcoin as well. So until Bitcoin is done testing, you know, we are not done with this, and this can take a while. It can take an entire day with the testing of the 10 and 20 moving averages, but eventually it will either break on the upside or it will get rejected. So you know what to look for right now. If it gets above it and stays above it, not only one candle, but it gets above it, I'm gonna show you on Bitcoin what happened. Bitcoin, let me remove all of this. Bitcoin managed to break the 10 and 20 moving average up here, but the next candle just went through straight up down. So when you break 10 and 20 moving average, you want to stay above the 10 and 20 moving average for at least 2 candles, and then you have a like confirmation that we are pretty decently on the upside. You can see here Bitcoin right now is trying to break the 10 and 20 moving average. So this is gonna play out for a little while until it either breaks on the upside and start continuing going up, or it falls to the downside. Let's get back to the the Ethereum Classic. Where is my Ethereum Classic? Let's see, Ethereum Classic, there's it. So right now the same thing is gonna play out here. We're gonna go probably up to the 10 and 20 moving average and then try to break this, but we're not quite sure what's gonna happen. So come back tomorrow and see update on maybe update on Ethereum Classic. If this video performs, you know what you have to do with the subscribe button, and you know, press the like button. If this video performs, I just might do an update on Ethereum Classic. So share the video and all that shebang, you know, if you want to see more of your favorite coin. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. See you around. Bye bye.